Hi students, how are you? I hope all are good and safe and welcome to EVS class. Today we will look at the topic our body. Our body. Before I give one activity for you. Now say parts of body name. Suddenly you put your hand on the parts. Okay? Shall we start? First part, head. Head. Suddenly you put your hand. Head. This is head. Okay. Now go to next one. Nose. Yeah. Suddenly you touch your nose. Okay. Ears. Ears. Mouth. Suddenly you touch your mouth. Shoulder. Suddenly touch your shoulder. Hand. Suddenly raise your hand. Stomach. Touch your stomach. Leg. Students, touch your leg. Okay. Now go to the topic. Today we will learn our body. Okay. Students, today we will learn outer body parts and inner body parts. Do you know the outer meaning? This is our body. This is our body. We all have the same body parts. Yes or no? That is right. We have all the same body parts. All body parts are using as to different accents. All the body parts are using to different accents. Now we look at the two topics. First one is outer body parts. Second one is inner body parts. First now list out inner body parts. Sorry, outer body parts. Students, can you tell me please outer body parts? Outer body parts we can see and touch. That is called outer body parts. But inner body parts we cannot touch and see. For example, stomach. Outer body parts we can touch and see. For example, hand. Okay. But inner body parts we cannot touch and we cannot see. Now say the example for inner body parts. Okay. Hand, shoulder, and mouth, leg, knee, and next. Now go to inner body parts. Inner body parts. Say two example for inner body parts. One is stomach. Stomach means what? Vairu. Another one is brain. Brain. Once again I repeat it. Inner body parts we can see and touch. Outer body parts we can see and touch. But inner body parts we cannot see and touch. For example, stomach, brain. Okay. Now move on the slide. Students, see the slide. What do you see in this slide? First one is hair. Second one, eye. Third one, mouth. Fourth one, hand. Next, knee. Knee means what? Muttu. Leg means kal. Leg. Stomach. Ear. Eyebrow. Students, see the slide carefully. First one, hair. Second, eye. This one, mouth, hand, knee, leg, stomach, ear, eyebrow. Okay. Students, now look at the inner body parts. Now look at inner body parts. Inner means ulle. Inner means ulle. Inner body parts. For example, say one example. Brain. The definition of inner body parts is uh, we cannot see and touch. This is called inner body parts. For example, they given one example for inner body parts, that is brain. That is brain. Students, see the slide. This is brain. This is brain. This is brain. This is inside our head. This is inside our head. Do you know the help of brain? Do you know? Brain is useful for think and learn. It is help us to think and learn. இப்போ நீங்க படிக்கிறதுக்கும் think பண்றதுக்கும் it's very important for brain. Okay? The brain is inside our head. The brain is inside our head and it helps us to learn and think. Learn and think. Now say one example for you. Suddenly one dust comes near your eyes. Suddenly you close your eyes. Why? Do you know the reason? Because brain is the message center. Because brain is the message center. உன் கண்ணுக்கு தூசி வரப்போது உடனே நீ என்ன பண்ண? கண்ணை மூடுன. யார் மெசேஜ் சென்ட் பண்ணுவா? The brain. Okay? It is called message center. Suddenly it is inform the message to nerves. Close your eyes because the dust is come nearing you. Suddenly you close your eyes. Okay? The brain is inside our head. It is help us to learn and think. Think பண்றதுக்கு it is very important for brain. Okay? Now go to next one. Students, see the flashcard. What do you see in this flashcard? This is stomach. This is stomach. This is inner body or outer body parts? Is inner body parts because this is inside our body. We cannot touch and see. We cannot touch and see. Okay. Stomach. Stomach inside our body. Stomach inside our body. Digest food. Yes or no? No சாப்பிட்ற சாப்பாடை யாரு digest பண்றது? Stomach. It is digest food and give strength also and give strength also. Yes or no? It gives strength. சாப்பிட்டா தான் நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கும்? Strength இருக்கும். It gives strength also. Stomach is inside our body, digest food and give strength. Okay? Now see the slide. This is stomach picture. This is stomach picture. This is inside our body. This is inside our body. It's digest food and give strength also and give strength also. Okay? Now go to next one. It's clear? Students, see the flashcard. What do you see in this picture? Yes, this is arm. This is arm. This is arm. Okay, this is arm. Okay, now go to the topic. Arm. A-R-M. Arm. It has elbow, hand, and fingers. It has three parts. First one is elbow. First one is elbow. Second one is hand. Second one is hand. Third one is fingers. Third one is fingers. Okay? It helps us to hold Pick up things and write. Do you know pick up things? பொருளை தூக்கிட்டு வர்றது, எடுத்துட்டு வர்றது and write. And you know write means எழுதுறது. Okay, it helps us to pick up things and fold and write. Okay, it's clear. Once again I repeat it. Okay, students, arm is the outer body parts. Arm is outer body part. Because we can see this. Because we can see your arm. So this is the outer body parts. Arm. It has three parts. It has three parts. First one is elbow and hand and fingers. And fingers. It helps us to pick up things, hold and write. Okay, see the slide. This is arm picture. It helps us to pick up things, hold and write. Okay, now move on next one. Students, see the flashcard. What do you see in this flashcard? Yes, this is leg. This is leg. Okay, now go to the topic. Leg has three parts. Leg has three parts. Knee, foot and toes. Knee, foot and toes. You know, mutti, mulangal, foot na padam and toes. Leg also outer body parts. It has three parts: knee, foot and toes. It has knee, foot and toes. It helps us to stand, dance, walk and run. It helps us to stand means நிக்கிறதுக்கு, dance ஆடுறதுக்கு and walk பண்றது, நடந்து போறது and run. Okay, once again I repeat it. This is leg. This is leg. It has three parts and leg also outer body parts. Leg has three parts. First one, knee, foot and toes. It helps us to stand, dance, walk and run. Okay, now move on the slide. Students, see the leg picture. Okay, it helps us to stand, walk, dance and run. Okay, now go to next one. Students, see the flashcard. What do you see in this picture? Face. Okay, now we will learn parts of face. Parts of face. Do you know the parts of face? Yeah. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears, also parts of face. Okay. Okay, now go to the topic. Parts of face. It is front of our head. Yes or no? It is front of our head. It helps us to sense the world around us. It helps us to sense the world. Sense around the world. Okay? Because there are eyes, ears, tongue, nose and mouth. There are eyes, ears, tongue, nose and mouth. Mouth also has tongue. Tongue is inside our mouth. Inside our mouth. Okay, once again I repeat it. Parts of face. Parts of face. See the flashcard. This is face. It is front of our head. It is front of our head. It helps us to Oh, this it helps us to sense around the world. Yeah, there are eyes, ears, tongue, nose, and mouth. Okay, they have eyes, ears, tongue, nose, and mouth. Students, see the flashcard. What do you see in this picture? This is eyes. This is eyes. Do you know the help of eyes? It helps us to see things. This is inner body parts or outer body parts. This is outer body parts because we can see and touch. Okay. Now go to eyes. It helps us to see things. It helps us to see things and different colors and different shapes. It helps us to see different things, colors and different shapes also. Okay. Now go to the slide. See the ice picture. This is ice picture. It helps us to see things and different colors and different shapes also. Okay. Now go to next one. Student, see the flashcard. What do you see in this picture? This is ear picture. This is ear picture. Do you know the help of ears? Ear help us to listen the sound. Ears help us to listen the sound. Okay. Now move on the topic. Ears. Yes, inner body parts or outer body parts. Ear is outer body parts because we can touch and see. Okay. And ears also used to hear sound. Ears also used to hear sound. It helps us to hear people talk. People மத்தவங்க பேசுறத நம்ம கேக்குறதுக்கு very important ears. And listen music. Listen music and hear birds sounds and hear birds sounds. Okay. Ears is outer body parts. It helps us to hear sounds and people talk and listen music and listen birds sounds also. Okay, now let's see the ears picture. This is ear picture. It helps us to hear people talk, listen music and birds sound also. Okay, it's clear. Okay, now go to next one. Students, see the flashcard. What do you see in this flashcard? Nose. It is nose picture. Do you know the help of nose? This helps us to breathe and smell. It helps us to breathe and smell. Breathe means what? மூச்சு உள்ளே இழுக்கிறது. And smell பண்றது. நோந்து பார்க்கிறது. Right? Now go to the topic. No. We use our nose is used for breathe and smell. It helps us to smell things. It helps us to smell things such as flowers, food, garbage and etc. Okay. Our nose used for breathe and smell. And it helps us to smell things such as garbage, flowers and food. So, okay, now go to the slide. See the nose picture. Help us to smell things such as food, flowers and garbage and etc. Okay, now go to the next one. Students, see the flashcard. What do you see? This is tongue. This is tongue. It is inside our mouth. It is inside our mouth. Okay. Tongue. This is inside our mouth. It is help us to taste food. It helps us to taste food and talk. Tongue also very very important in talk. Talking, okay, very important organ for talking. Tongue is taste for food and talk. Okay, now let's see the tongue picture. This is tongue picture. This helps us to taste and talk. Okay, it's clear. This helps us to taste and talk. Okay, now go to next one. Students, see the slide. What do you see in this slide? Yes, this is skin. This is skin. Okay. Now go to the topic. Skin. Skin. This is skin. Skin. It is present all over our body. Yes or no? It's fully cover it's fully cover our body. Present all over our body. Feel by touching, it helps us to feel by touching things. Someone touching you, how is it feel? The skin. Skin is very important for feel. Okay? நேரா டச் பண்ணா உனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? இந்த ஸ்கின்ல தான் அந்த சென்ஸ் வந்து feel by touching things. Feel hot, cold, rough or smooth. Only find the skin is help us to. Only you find hot, cold, rough and smooth things. The skin is help to us. Okay. Okay. Once again, skin present all over our body. Feel by it helps us to feel by touching things. Touch பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு அது தெரியும். And feel hot, cold, rough or smooth only by the touching. This helpful for skin. Skin also all over our body. Okay, over our body. Fully cover our body. It is very very important because we feel by touching things. This help us to. Students, once again I revise the topic. Inner body parts and outer body parts. Now first we start outer body parts. Outer means we can see and touch. We can see and touch. Head, neck, shoulder, hand, finger. We can touch and feel. So these are called outer body parts. These are called outer body parts. Okay, now go to inner body parts. We cannot touch and see. So they are all inner body parts. This is inside our body. For example, brain and stomach. Brain and stomach. Okay. Next, we revise parts of face for senses. Parts of face for senses. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay. Parts of face. This in front of our head. It has many senses also. There are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Okay. These are parts of face for senses. Okay. Students, we have five parts for sensing. 5 parts for sensing. First one is eyes. Eyes to see. Eyes to see. Second one is ears to hear. Ears to hear. Tongue to taste. Tongue to taste. Nose to smell. Nose to smell. Skin to feel. Skin to feel. Once again repeat it. We have 5 parts for sensing. Okay. First one is eyes. It helps us to see things. Eyes to see. Ears to hear. It helps us to hear the sounds. So ears to hear. Third one is tongue to taste. Tongue helps us to taste food. Tongue to taste. Tongue to taste. Fourth one is nose. Nose helps us to smell and breathe. So nose to smell and Skin to feel. Skin to feel. Okay, students, I hope all are understood this topic. And worksheet 1 and 2 and 3 for your homework. Please do this. If you have any doubt, you send message to me. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you.